Hello guys, in this video, we will talk about Nobara Linux and Bazzite, and I will help you to decide which gaming-focused Linux distro dominates in 2025. So let's start with Nobara Linux. It is developed by a Fedora contributor. It's optimized for gamers with pre-installed Wine, Proton, and Media codecs. In 2025, it remains a go-to for those who want performance out of the box with minimal setup. Bazzite, on the other hand, is a newer immutable distro based on Fedora Atomic. It's designed for Steam Deck and desktop gamers, offering a secure, read-only file system and native Flatpak support. So let's compare both of them. Number 1, their performance. Nobara is lightweight and highly optimized for GPU usage, making it ideal for high-end setups. Bazzite is tailored for stability and consistency, especially for gamers using Steam or emulators. Number 2, their package management. Bazzite uses RPM-OS3 for atomic updates, reducing the system breakage, while Nobara uses traditional DNF/YUM, which offers more flexibility but requires careful updates. Number 3, their compatibility. Nobara is excellent for native games and Windows games via Proton, while Bazzite supports this too, but it's specially optimized for SteamOS-like experience. Number 4, customization. Nobara is more customizable out of the box, while Bazzite is locked down by design but stable and secure for daily gaming. Number 5, their updates and support. Nobara gets frequent updates and is backed by experienced developers. Bazzite is gaining momentum with community-driven patches and support for hybrid GPU systems in 2025. Number 6, use case. Nobara is better for gamers who want full control and advanced tweaking, while Bazzite is ideal for users who want plug-and-play gaming with fewer headaches. So if you are a power user, go with Nobara. But if you want simplicity, consistency, and Steam first focus, choose Bazzite. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.